In Football Club 25, FC 25, using the right tactics can help you win more matches. Here are some effective strategies to consider. First, choose the right formation. A popular choice is the 4-3-3 formation. This gives you a strong defense and allows your wingers to attack from the sides, and also helps you control the midfield. Next, focus on pressing. Setting your team to press can put pressure on your opponents and force them to make mistakes. Try to win the ball back quickly when you lose it. This can lead to scoring opportunities. Another tactic is to use quick passes. Keep the ball moving and create space and confuse the defense. Look for opportunities to make through balls to your strikers, as they can break through the defense. Don't forget to adjust your player roles. Assign your best players to positions where they can make the most impact, like, placing a fast player as a winger. Finally, practice set pieces. Corners and free kicks can be great chances to score. Spend time in training mode to improve your experience and your execution. And with these tactics, you'll be better prepared to dominate your matches in FC 25.